Welcome to all, Class 9th, Subject Science, Worksheet number 6, date 16 July 2021. Today's topic is water pollution. Water is an essential natural resource, means what is provided by the nature, and it's very important to us. Of all the water on the earth, only 1% is available for us to drink. If we consider the water from various water bodies to be at 100% level, out of that 97% is salt water, 2% frozen fresh water, and only 1% available to us as a fresh water. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies like rivers, lakes, oceans, or ponds, usually due to human activity. Its main causes are spilling of oil, industrial and sewage, wastewater disposal, animal waste, pesticide and fertilizer into water bodies. So, pollution is mainly due to human activities. There are various causes. Most important cause is sewage water discharge into the water bodies. Even the animal waste and pesticides and insecticides are disposed into water bodies. Water pollution can have disastrous consequences on the ecosystem. It means the place where an organism lives and interacts with the abiotic factor of the environment. It gets disturbed, all due to water pollution. It can impact the food chain and affect marine life. As the water pollution level increases, it affects the growth of the plant. So, if the growth of the plant gets affected, it will ultimately impact the population of herbivores, which in turn impact the population of carnivores. In this way, food chain gets disturbed, and even the marine life gets disturbed due to increase in the water pollution level. Fishes are going to die if the water bodies get contaminated with waste, sewage disposal. Humans can control this water pollution by taking various steps. Otherwise, human can contract diseases by drinking polluted water. We can see there are many diseases all because of polluted water like cholera, typhoid, diarrhea. We can control water pollution by treating sewage before discharge into water bodies, reusing, reducing and recycling of water will go a long way in reducing water pollution. So, we have to use water again and again for various purposes. We can reduce our water use, and the most effective way is do the recycling of water to reduce the water pollution level. Also, plants such as water hyacinth can absorb toxic chemicals and hence reduce water pollution. There are various plants that can be used to absorb toxic chemical. Water hyacinth is one of them. Let's answer these questions based on today's worksheet. Question number 1. Look at the picture below and list 3 major things that causes water pollution. So, we can see there are various causes of water pollution, and out of that home waste, that is sewage waste, is main cause of water pollution, and also the waste from the industries, even the insecticides and the pesticides that are being used by the farmer to increase the growth of the crop or to increase the yield are responsible for water pollution. So these are the main causes of water pollution. Next question, write a slogan for conservation of water. You have to write a slogan for conservation of water. For example, save water, save life. Do it on your own. Now question number 3, make a poster on water pollution. While making a poster, you must mention the various steps that we will take to reduce the water pollution level. So this also you have to do on your own. Question number 4, suggest 3 measures to control water pollution. There are various measures we have to adopt or we have to take to control water pollution. By not throwing garbage in the river or water bodies, we can control water pollution. Industry should not allow the discharge of chemical without treating it into water bodies. So during the festival also we should avoid throwing flowers, idols into the water bodies. So in this way we can control water pollution. Thank you.